Hi guys, Zach here with Proline Kitchen Appliances, and today we've got an updated video for how to replace the lights in your range hood. Today we've got a couple different examples. A lot of the lights are universal, and we're going to break each of those down in today's video for you. Before you guys work on anything on your range hood, make sure you unplug it from the power just so we don't run into any accidents. Our first hood we're going to look at features our 6-diode light. Now to remove this, there's just going to be a little pinch on the back. All you guys have to do is on your hood at home, take the filter off, and then all you need to do is reach up inside there right behind the light. You'll be able to feel these two prongs. If you just pinch them together, it'll pop right out. Just like that. Now all we're going to kind of do is pull that cord out, and then inside there will be a connector. I don't know if you guys can see that little white connector there. All we need to do is just disconnect that so we're left with a piece just like this one. Once you guys kind of remove that a little bit, there'll just be a little pinch of the white clips. If you pinch that together and pull it apart, you can remove the entire unit and then replace it with the new one that we send you. Okay, we're now looking at a new range hood. We moved this one over here. It's featuring our GU10 light. Now, before I take this one out, I want to talk about it for a second. The reason that we use these is because they can last a really long time. They come with a very easy to connect and disconnect kind of assembly here. We'll zoom in to show you guys a little bit, but this kind of stops any moisture from getting inside the light. I don't know if you guys have worked with a normal light bulb, but sometimes unscrewing those, they can just break and they're really fragile. So we'll get this one taken apart here. Now removing the GU10 light's easy because we don't have to take the filter off. So all we need to do is apply a little bit of pressure left to unlock it and right to secure the light. I like taking some tape. It makes it easier just applying that pressure. Just kind of cover the surface of the light. We'll pinch that tape on the sides, and then if you twist it left, the light should just come out right with you. The GU10 lights are really nice, and you're going to find them in a lot of models, not even just within our own company, but they're kind of a new technology to the United States. A lot of people in Europe use these lights. The assembly on this is really nice. It gives you a nice confident feeling when you're putting the light in, when it's secured, when it's being taken out, like I said. There's lots of different sizes, different types of GU10 lights, but the assembly all works the same on them. So to take the light in and out, that's all you got to do. Now lastly, some range hood models will have a driver installed inside the unit that you'll need to replace. Now I'm going to show you quickly how you guys can access that and get to where you can replace it. But as you guys can see here, we have a plate and there will be 4 screws located right here on that. Now I've gone ahead and already removed the 3 of those, but you guys can just grab a Phillips screwdriver. It's super easy just to remove yourself. We'll get that taken off. Now once we remove that last screw, we're going to be able to take out this entire thing. So what we're going to do is flip it over, and then inside this black box will be where the driver is located. Now on this black box there will be another 4 screws around the end. I've gone ahead and removed 3 of them. You guys can take that same size screwdriver and we're just going to need to remove those. And once we've taken that out, we want to be careful, and remember, make sure your power is turned off before you guys are going to do this. We're going to take that off, and this is where your driver will be. Now it gets a little specific as to which model that you guys have. For the most part, all these metal prongs running down the side right here where all these colored wires are running out of, we want to go ahead and take those out of the driver. Some of them might have a little clip here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but a little metal clip, we might need to pinch to remove those. Now at this point, once you guys are removing this, I would contact our customer service team. That way they can best assist you to know which model of driver you have and which order the prongs need to be replaced. That way nothing gets messed up inside of the hood. They'll be able to send you an exact diagram as to what you need to replace your driver, and then you can put it back the same way we took it apart. Really hope this video helped you guys out today. If you have any other questions or concerns, contact our customer support team here at Proline. If you guys haven't yet, check out our products right below this video. They're now linked through Shopify. You can check out a new range hood or our new line of kitchen ranges there.